Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify on Instagram. First, you need to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram business account. Then, ensure your Shopify store is approved for both Facebook and Instagram sales channels. Finally, set up a Facebook Commerce Manager account. This platform is crucial for syncing your product catalog, making your items available for sale across both social media giants. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a successful social commerce presence. Once your accounts are linked, the next step is building your product catalog. You can easily import all your Shopify products directly into Facebook Commerce Manager. It's important to organize these products into clear collections, making it simple for customers to browse and find what they need. Remember to include high-quality images and detailed descriptions for every item. A well-curated catalog is key to attracting and converting potential buyers on Instagram. With your catalog ready, it's time to activate Instagram's shopping features. Navigate to your Instagram business settings and enable the shopping option. This allows you to tag products directly in your posts, stories, and even reels. When customers tap on a tagged product, they'll see details and can click through to your Shopify product page to complete their purchase. This seamless experience makes shopping incredibly convenient for your followers. Finally, to maximize your success, focus on optimizing and promoting your Instagram shop. Consider using Instagram ads to expand your reach beyond your current followers, targeting potential customers who are likely to be interested in your products. Regularly analyze your sales data to understand what's working and what isn't, allowing you to refine your strategies. Keep your product catalog fresh with new items and exciting promotions to maintain customer engagement and drive consistent sales.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.